Hey loves, how about we make some soft, delicious oats pancakes? So without further ado, let's dive into it. Let's go and nourish. So with my neatly washed hand, here I have 1 cup of oats and 2 medium eggs. Also, we'll be needing, I think, 1/3 of a butter, as you can see. And then we'll need 1 fresh ripe banana. Also, baking powder. So, let's get our neat bowl ready and pour in our oats for blending. So here I'm trying to blend, but my oats are splashing everywhere and I don't want to waste it. I had to change the blender, pouring the oats into my blend jets. Shout out to Faye for getting me this blend jets. May the good Lord bless you. Here is the consistency you would want to get, not too smooth, not too rough. Now it is time to match our ripe, beautiful banana. So the 1 banana was way too small for me. I had to add 1 more. It depends on the size of the banana. Breaking in my eggs to mix together. Using my fork, of course. I've melted my butter. Now it's time to pour it in. A teaspoon of baking powder for some soft texture. Now pouring in my oats to make a batter. So let's go to the cooker to make some soft, delicious oats pancakes. I've heated my pan and added a little bit of oil to avoid my pancakes sticking to the pan. Are you ready for some sizzle? Wait for it. Ooh, yes, I love the sound. Ha ha ha. You would love this recipe, I tell you. My friends that had a taste of it made a good remark saying this is a really nice pancake. You should try it out. And let me know how it tastes once you've tried it out, okay? You won't regret this. You would want to have some bubbles before you turn your pancake. That gives you a sign that it is ready to be turned. Okay, let's wait for some more seconds and our first pancake would be ready. Okay, let's check if it's ready. Yes, it is. Ooh, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It takes less than 10 minutes to make pancakes. This recipe is really nice. So the overall pancake I made was 6 pieces. I had 1 behind the scene already, and here is what we have, dressed with some strawberries. You know, let's get in some vitamin C to complete our diet. That's it, simple as ABC. I hope you love this recipe. See you in the next video. Bye for now.